Hey guys, what's going on? Do you know how to stick your affiliate link inside of emails? In several of my videos, I've talked about email marketing, and it's recently came to my attention that some of the people in my audience don't know how to actually put their affiliate links inside of an email. So that's why I'm going to share my screen and show that to you in today's video. Because I know that if one person's coming to me with this problem, there's more of you out there with the same issue. So that's what we're going to do today. But first, my name is Jason Brothers with J Bros Financial Freedom. And if you're looking to create multiple streams of residual income through affiliate marketing, you're in the right place. So go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on a thing. Now let's dive into today's video. All right, so first I'm here at Leadsleep. It's a email list builder that lets you create an unlimited amount of emails for completely free. There is the upgraded pro version to where you get upgraded benefits, but most email list builders, the more contacts you have on your list, more expensive it's going to be each and every month. Where in here, it's unlimited for free. So that's what I use, and that's what I recommend to use. And if you're interested, there is a link in the description below. But on to how to put your link inside of an email. So we're going to go to add a new broadcast. We're going to add a subject, and for the subject, you can put anything you want. Here's a list of some that I've used before, but I'm going to be creating an email about the Home Business Academy. So I'm going to put the best way to earn residual income. All right, so I've written out this email and I've enabled smart greeting. What that does is if your name is Bobby, it'll start the email out by "Hi Bobby" space and then start in with your email, or "Hi Sue" or "Hi" whatever their name is, and I just enable smart greeting for most of my emails. Well, I've created and bold the ones that I'm gonna link for this video. And okay, so I'm promoting the Home Business Academy, right? So all I'm going to do is highlight this whole area. I'm going to go to this, it looks like a chain, and it says insert slash edit link. So you're going to do that right here where it says URL. You get your affiliate link, which I have in a notepad here. So I'm going to use this affiliate link, copy. You can control C or right click and click copy. And then right here, you can either do paste or control V, and it will paste your affiliate link right there. You don't really need to worry about this. The text to display is the area that you highlighted. The title you don't need, and target you don't need. So we're going to click OK, and you'll see that it's blue and underlined. What I'll also do on top of that is make it bold. And if you want to because being bold just makes it more noticeable, like here's not bold, and it's just kind of smaller. So we're going to make this bold, and it's blue and highlighted in bold. But if you really wanted it to stand out, the rest of the emails at 14 pixels, we could make it like 16 pixels. You don't want to make it too big because I'll just show you. If you make it like I really want this to stand out, like that looks weird and nobody's going to click on that, right? So we're just going to make it pop out just a little bit more. It's going to be slightly larger than the rest. And with HBA, we went together. So again, insert slash edit link. I still have the same thing already copied, so all I have to do is paste it, click OK, and make it bold. And if you want to sign up by clicking here, once again, insert, just paste your link right in there, and then when somebody clicks on this, it will go to my affiliate link. And you can do other links. So if you want to join my Facebook page, feel free to contact me on Facebook. So we're going to click to my Facebook group here. So just Control C, copy this right here, insert slash edit link, Control V. And now when someone clicks on this, I'm not going to bold it or make it larger because I want them clicking on my affiliate link, not so much Facebook, but if they do want to reach me on Facebook, here's a nice little shortcut for them. And then once again, we are going to open this and copy that, paste that there. This is, I got 5 of them in this email. Typically, I'll have 2. Typically, I'll have one at the very front, like in the first or second line, because when people open your email, they might not scroll all the way down. You want a link that they can click at the very beginning. And if they do scroll all the way down, a lot of times they might be too lazy to scroll back up or not realize that there was one up there. So right before your ending here, like thank you, Jason, and your very last line, you're going to want to call to action with the link there. So normally I have one at the very front and at the very end, and I don't have these others in between, but it is good practice to show you on this video. And then we'll just select this for today's date. I typically shoot them out about this time in the evening. Deselect all, active, save, and boom. So this email is going to go out later this evening, and it's going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 links like that. And if you click on this, as you see, it will open up the affiliate page, well, the sales page for my affiliate link, which is right here, the $25 all-in-one business, which is the Home Business Academy. So that's it for today's video. Now you know how to stick your own affiliate links inside of emails. If you haven't started yet, you should start email marketing because it is a great way to make additional sales and follow up with your leads and just build even more know, like, and trust with your audience as you email them each and every day. And if you want to know more about why we use email marketing, I suggest you check out this video where I explain the whole thing out for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you've liked this video, please hit that like button because it helps me out so much. And see you guys in the next video.